Is it visible?
Yes, 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 yes,
It's
yes,
permitted.
Sir, can you hear me, sir? Hello?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, we can.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here is the AutoCAD. Uh, at first, you need to tap your the AutoCAD icon. Then it will open a page. In that page, from there you can come here. Okay. Maybe the skin will look different because of the version of the AutoCAD. Like I'm showing the version is here 2018. Maybe you guys have 2021 or 22.
22.
Yeah. Uh, but it's almost same, I guess. So let me introduce the AutoCAD. The company of the AutoCAD is Autodesk, and this bar where is this is written AutoCAD Autodesk AutoCAD 2018. This bar is known as title bar, and this bar with home insert and all written this bar. This bar is known as menu bar, and this bar is known as quick access toolbar, and this section is known as ribbon. Okay, and this is the origin. or coordinate. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. And this black area is our graphics area, where we will draw our object. Okay, and
What is this area called? That black area.
sorry,
This
graphics
black.
area.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, and
Could
this,
you?
sorry,
I said, could you repeat it?
which one?
Where line and circle are made, what is that called?
Ma'am, that area.
This one, ribbon bar.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. This black one.
This one, this
Entire
one,
screen.
this
Black
one,
screen.
graphic area.
Ma'am, unable to hear you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Graphics area.
Graphic area, graphic
Oh,
area.
graphics
Yes.
area.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. And this white section where is written type a comment, this is known as comment area. Okay. And this bar is known as status bar. And those keys are known as toggle keys. TOOGLE, toggle keys.
And what you have to status bar?
Sorry.
And what you told status bar?
Yes. This total bar is known as status bar. In status bar, you can see those keys. We will introduce them. Those those keys are known as toggle keys.
Where is
Okay.
the comment area?
This section here written na type a comment.
Okay, ma'am.
Where you can type any comment, and here you can see the comment. Okay. If you click enter, then you will see that this activated. Okay. All of this clear now?
मैं आप जो अभी की एक बार वापस कीजिएगा ना.
जो comment
No मैम, आप you drew a line ना.
yeah. Uh, at first, you you write here L. The first comment here comes. The first one you can see that L for line. From here you can clicking enter. You can start your line. Okay.
Okay.
Or you can use from here line comment. Click here and you can use your line comment. Okay.
Okay मैम.
Now clear? In
Yes, ma'am.
every comment you can use from here also, and by typing here also. Which one you think is you want to use, you can use. Okay. So before I was drawing line, and those lines were not perpendicular or parallel. Okay, so because of that, at that time, this is called the ortho mode. You can use it by pressing Fn and sorry, function key and F8 key. By together pressing together, you can activate it, or by simply click here. Okay, so when this mode is off and you draw any line, the line wouldn't be the straight line. And if you want to draw straight line, then you need to on this ortho mode. And now see, this every line will be straight line. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. One minute. You can practice it.
Ma'am, how to undo it?
CTRL.
Ma'am, you are not audible. Are you there?
No.
मैम बोले तुम लोग प्रैक्टिस करो ऐसे।
सर मैम का ऑडियो बहुत कट कट के आ रहा था।
Okay, all of you do one thing. I will start Zoom meeting. Okay, all of you join using that. Okay, I think that will be better. We are facing yesterday also there was some problem, voice lagging. Okay, so I faced so many things. Okay, so I am requesting everyone. I'm join using Zoom link. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
चुप चुप रहो.
Recording in progress.
So ma'am is joining. Just be there for 2 minutes. There was some
Yes, sir.
network issue there. That's why it happened.
सर आप ही स्टार्ट करते हैं.
Ma'am, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Now you can start.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So, you guys practice this line comment?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now we'll draw polyline. Okay. This this one line and this one polyline. So, by clicking on polyline, we can draw like line in any direction we want to, and then enter. So, what is the difference between line and polyline? Okay. Can you tell me? Anyone? Any idea about difference between line and polyline?
Ma'am, using a polyline, we can make a polygon.
No. Here,
The polyline helps you to make straight lines according to 90-degree angle. Like you can't make any other angle with the polyline property.
no. In AutoCAD, line when you like you select a line. Okay. See, it is this line. When you click on this line, then this line. Okay. But in polyline, when you click a line, it will select the whole thing you draw in single stretch. Understand?
मैम एक बार सब क्लियर करके बताइए ना फिर.
Can you repeat?
Okay. Let me delete all. Okay. This is line. I'm drawing some line, random line. And now I'm drawing polyline. Line using polyline. Comment. Okay. So when we click a line, it will select the single line where you clicked, like here, or I clicked here. But in polyline, I draw that this thing in a single time. So when we select any location of this part, it will select the whole thing. But in case of line, it will select only that part of the line. Understand?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Yeah. And now one thing, when you want to delete something,
Can you repeat it once again?
I can't hear you.
Ma'am, can you repeat that line once again?
Okay. Uh, that selecting thing.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
That line part. Yes.
Yeah. So in line, when we select a part of a line, when I select a line, it will only select that part of the line. Okay.
Yes.
But when in
Ma'am, can you
polyline,
repeat once again?
with this drawing or this thing. Okay, let me draw it again and
All of you listen properly, okay? If like in between like so many of you will say please repeat again, and then it will be problem. So try to listen properly, okay? If you're doing other work, then it will not be fine, okay? So try to listen properly. Otherwise, in online class, it will be very difficult.
thank you, sir.
Okay, ma'am, carry on.
When you draw a line by clicking like that and and polyline in same method, but when you click here in line, you can see that where you click that part of line, only that part is got selected, not the rest of thing. But in polyline, when you click one part, any of the portion of this line, the whole thing will be got selected. Look, here I click here, so it select this portion, or I click here, so it select this portion. But in case of this, I select any of the part, it got totally it got selected. See, can you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, when you want to delete this thing, you can simply by clicking your mouse and drag this mouse in this direction or in this direction, in right to left or left to right. Okay, and the different is the different is thing that when I dragging from left to right, by but this is not getting selected because I am not selecting the whole part of the line. But when I am dragging the mouse from right to left, it is it selected the whole line, the line where it touch the this cursor. And now simply press the delete button from the keyboard. Understand this delete thing, or I should repeat it?
Understood, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am trying as you are saying, but I'm unable to achieve that. I'm unable to select.
Okay. When you drag from right side to left side by clicking left your mouse left button, it got selected like that.
Ma'am, it's showing a closed boundary could not be determined. Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It got selected. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now you just simply click the delete button from your keyboard and it will be deleted. But same thing when
Yes,
you
ma'am.
try from left to right, it will not be selected if you don't select the whole line. If you want to delete hurriedly, always select this right to left method. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The next one is circle. Here you can see various method of circle. Okay, when you have the value of center and radius, you can simply choose this circle. When you have the center and diameter, then you need to select this one. And when you have the tan radius, then you need to this select this point. The tan radius will be useful later. So now I'm using that center radius. Specify a center point, and by clicking I can select any radius point, sorry, diameter point, or by giving simply I can give here any value by my keyboard, and just you need to input this value and click just enter. Okay, and that value was too high. See that now I need to choose. Okay, so this is my circle.
Ma'am, that type a command option in my laptop is not available. How can I make it visible, ma'am?
This type command.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I just pressed the cross, so it's not showing up. How can I make it visible?
Sorry, that thing I don't know. Sorry for that,
Okay, ma'am.
because every time I got the comment line was there. Okay, let me see. I will tell you later by trying how to get
Okay,
hide
ma'am.
it and show it. Okay, so here you see that time I wasn't sorry, I wasn't able to see that my circle because it was too big for my skin. So for that, when your object is too big for your skin, that time you need to comment. You need to type Z in comment section, which means zoom. Then enter, and then you need to type A, and A is for all, and enter. Okay. Then the whole thing you have drawn that wasn't visible earlier will be visible, because it's zoom your skin now. Try it, and you guess you feel any problem, then tell.
How to zoom out?
তো সবকটা টেস্ট করো।
Yes, ma'am, it's working.
হয় না বললে। জানি না, ওদের জিজ্ঞাসা করে রাখো। বলো আরেকটা টেস্টের নাম আমি যেটা বলেছি। হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে তোমার দেওয়া আছে, ফার্স্ট যেটা দেওয়া আছে XRD বলে। আজকের ফার্স্ট যে ছবিটা পাঠিয়েছি ওইটা XRD কোথায় হয় জিজ্ঞাসা করে না, ওরা বলতে পারে নাকি। হ্যাঁ, ছবি দেওয়া আছে না, প্রথমটা একটা গ্রাফের মতো XRD লেখা, XRD অফ অল থ্রি স্যাম্পল কোয়ার্টজ লাইক অ্যান্ড ক্যালসাইট, ওইটা কোথায় হয় জিজ্ঞাসা করো, বলতে পারে কি। So any doubt? Anyone
No, ma'am.
facing any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So the next comment is art comment. It is also like similar like circle comment. You need to know that how you which points available to you. Like when you have that start, center, and end point available, then you can simply select this option. When you have the start, end, and angle point available, then you can select this like that. You can select according any of this option according to your available value or data. Now I am showing you that start, center, and end. So by simply picking any point, yeah. I'm now drawing it randomly, but you can draw it with your proper value. When you have that value, you can put it simply. You can write it simply from your keyboard, and then you can hit enter, and that will be drawn. You can also try using any of this, like start, center, length, or angle, anything. The next thing is one thing I need to tell you. This one is OSNAP. Okay. Uh, inside of OSNAP there is a drop down menu. By clicking here, you need to show that everything is on or not. If anything is off, you need to on everything, because you don't know which one is will be helpful for you. So select all, because by this endpoint,
And where is that OSNAP?
here.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
It is in that status bar.
Everything we have to on.
It is one of the toggle keys. Okay.
हम कहाँ से मैम हम क्लिक किए लेकिन कुछ कुछ खुला
Yeah.
नहीं.
इसके बगल में एक देखो, ये देखो एक ड्रॉप डाउन मेनू है ना, ये वाला क्लिक करो। ऐसा कुछ है ना उसके बगल में या नीचे में आसपास?
Yes, yes, yes,
हाँ, वो वाला क्लिक करो और ये खुल
Okay.
जाएगा। इसमें सब कुछ ऑन कर लो, क्योंकि जैसे ये एंड पॉइंट मेरा है, तो मैं कोई भी लाइन का एंड पॉइंट उसके पास लेके जाऊंगी तो वो डिनोट करेगा लाइक मिड पॉइंट, सेंटर, एवरीथिंग। रुको मैं दिखाती हूँ। लाइक ये देखो, मैं एक लाइन ड्रॉ की। अब इसका मुझे एंड पॉइंट जानना है। सपोज मुझे नहीं पता एंड पॉइंट। Maybe here I'm facing some problem. Okay, let me tell you what will it happen. When all of this thing is on, then when you bring your cursor end near end of the line, you will show here a green box. Okay, that is denoting the end point. And when you bring your cursor near middle of this line, it will show a triangular, a small green triangular, that is denoting the midpoint. And center. Uh, Similarly, when you bring that cursor towards center of the circle, it will show that center of the circle. Is it visible in your AutoCAD?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then practice it.
Ma'am, I think, ma'am, I've selected the line one and then I'm checking it, so I'm getting it.
Okay. It's supposed to came when I bring my cursor towards the end or center of the my line, but I need to check something wrong. Yes. Okay. Next thing. Suppose I need to.
White boxes if I hold any line.
Sorry. Okay. Next thing. Suppose I need to stretch this line. Okay. मुझे ये लाइन को लंबा खींचना है। तो ये जो बॉक्स बॉक्स पोर्शन दिखा रहा है ना, इसमें क्लिक करेंगे, इसमें क्लिक करेंगे और ऐसे खींचेंगे तो ये लाइन खींच जाएगा। ये क्लिक किए, इसमें क्लिक किए और मुझे खींचना है तो मैं खींचे तो ट्राई इट।
Yes, ma'am. For it.
ओके। अब सपोज मुझे इस लाइन का डायमेंशन जानना है, तो इधर हमारा डायमेंशन है, तो इधर क्लिक करके सिंपली देखो हमारा इसका ये देखो एंड पॉइंट दिखा रहा है, इसका एंड पॉइंट और ये रहा इसका एंड पॉइंट। इसे खींचे तो इधर आ गया इसका डायमेंशन। मेरा ये देखो ये वाला जो दिखा रहा है ये मिड पॉइंट है। ओके
मैं एंड पॉइंट वाला फिर से बता दीजिए एक बार।
कौन सा?
एंड पॉइंट मिड पॉइंट वाला कैसे फाइंड करना?
एक लाइन खींचो। ये वाला अगर ऑन रहेगा तो दिखाना चाहिए, मेरा वाला कुछ प्रॉब्लम कर रहा है शायद। जब आपका कर्सर आप एंड के तरफ लेके जाओगे तो इधर एक आपको छोटा सा एक ग्रीन कलर का स्क्वायर दिखाएगा, वो इसका एंड पॉइंट डिनोट कर रहा है। जब इसको सेंटर के पास लेके आओगे, सेंटर के आसपास ऐसे थोड़ा थोड़ा हिलाओगे तो इधर आपको दिख जाएगा एक ट्रायंगुलर, एक ग्रीन कलर का सिमिलरली एक ट्रायंगुलर शेप दिखाएगा, वो इस लाइन का मिड पॉइंट शो कर रहा है। सिमिलरली आप सर्किल का देखना चाहो तो सर्किल के मिड पॉइंट के आसपास लेके जाओ तो सर्किल का दिखाएगा। फिर ऐसे ही आप वो टैंजेंट खींच सकते हो। एक लाइन, एक सपोज एक लाइन खींचे, फिर एक सर्किल ड्रॉ किए। अब इस लाइन का आपको टैंजेंट खींचना है तो सिंपली इस लाइन से आप इसका एंड पॉइंट से इधर लाओगे तो आपको ये देखो टैंजेंट दिखाएगा, ये दिखाए पार्ट स्पेसिफाई नेक्स्ट पॉइंट। ये ट्राई करके देखो।
यस मैम, हो रहा है।
ओके और इसका भी आपको डायमेंशन जानना है तो सिंपली इधर क्लिक करोगे, ये वाला एंड पॉइंट, ये वाला एंड पॉइंट ऐसे खींचोगे तो इधर आ गया। अब इसको माउस का जो ये घुमा के आप इसको जूम इन जूम आउट करके आप इसका कितना है डायमेंशन देख सकते हो। अब मेरा इधर नहीं हो रहा है जूम इन जूम आउट ठीक से, तो ऐसे ही आप जूम इन जूम आउट करके देख सकते हो इसका डायमेंशन क्या है। अब आपको सिमिलरली आप एंगल वगैरह कुछ का डायमेंशन देखना है या इसका रेडियस, सेंटर रेडियस कुछ देखना है कि कितना है, तब आप इधर ये देखो, ये भी डायमेंशन का ही है। इसके बगल में एक ड्रॉप डाउन ये है, इधर जाओगे तो आपको सारे ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। आपको कौन सा देखना है, लाइन का देखना है या एंगल का देखना है, रेडियस देखना है, डायमीटर देखना है, कौन सा वाला आपको मतलब मेजर करना है, या से आपको उसको सिलेक्ट करके कर लेना। ओके सबसे ज्यादा जो जो चीज यूज होगा मैं अभी वही दिखा रही हूँ। सबसे कॉमन जो है ओके प्रैक्टिस कर लिए। ओके नेक्स्ट थिंग, ये और एक इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग है, यूनिट सेट करना। ठीक है, इधर हम टाइप करेंगे यू एन, आ गया यूनिट, एंटर। इधर फिर ऐसा एक ये खुल जाएगा, फिर इधर से तुमको यू नीड टू चूज which one in which type you want to draw your thing, like here you have this all of this option, but generally we use between in first three, among these first three option, Like you now choose engineering, so it will come in inches, and this precision you can change also this precision, like if after zero sorry, after point it is showing up to 4 points. Suppose you don't want this much, after point you just want 2 point, then you just click here, or you just want that 4 point, to click here. Now suppose you want to work in foot, then you simply sorry, inches, then you just click this architecture, and that now is it, this, and simply you can select any of this. But now we are using that decimal or engineering.
How to open this dialog box? Could you explain it once more?
Okay. uh, Come in comment section, type UN. It's showing that the first one is units. So we are opening that thing only. Then so now we click that enter from your keyboard, and this thing will be pop out.
Okay, ma'am.
So suppose we are working in now engineering, and we are selecting precision 0.00, and we are willing to work in inches, so I'm not changing it, and so I'm clicking OK. So we like that we select our units. Suppose I want to change my type of line, like it is that straight line. I want a dotted line. Then how to do it? Then come here, this properties section. Okay, and click that bilayer option, and from here you can choose anyone, and suppose you are not willing to use any of this thing, you want anything different, then click others, and others, from others, in others you need to click in load, this load section, and here you can see that
And
variety
where will you
type.
find this?
Okay. This properties section, click that bilayer, this one, and from here that last option others, because you are not willing to use any of this. Okay, and here also that it is not showing, so you need to go that load option, that first one, it is load, click here, and now it is showing varieties of option, and suppose you want that center one, center line one, so click this one and OK. So it is loaded here, and now click OK. So it is here, but not showing here. So click here and select that center thing, and now draw any line. It will be that dotted line. Now it is not showing it because it is. I need to. Yeah, I don't know what is the problem. Sounds. It is a dotted line, but I'm unable to show you because of my mouse is not working properly. It is dotted line. You can try. And like this, when you suppose you are not happy with the color, or you want to differentiate between these two lines using different color, then say, again come this properties section, this the first one by layer, where it is showing that white color. Here click and it will showing you different color. Choose any color or select a line and change here any color. See, the color is different. So when you want to change a type of a line or color of a line, just simply come this section in properties. For color, simply click here and you can first select that line, and simply come here and select the color uh, you want to give the line, and click it and just escape. It is that it is will be in the same color. But when you want to change the type of a line, you come to you need to click this thing and come to that other section, and then type in load and select that what type of the line you want, and select that thing and OK. Then again here click OK, and from again go to that same bilayer thing and select that type of line, and now you can draw in line that will be that same thing. You can
Excuse me, sir. Sir.
Hello, student. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So still you want to continue, or you will come next class?
The
The
next,
next class.
the next class, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Happy
Okay.
Makar
Then you can leave.
Sir, happy Makar Sankranti, sir.
Same to you.
Happy Makar
ठीक है, सबको जाओ पढ़ाओ आप. ठीक है. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
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 Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye bye.